Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can reset Android phone without losing data. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to access to your setting. Go to your settings. Once you are there, all you need to do is to scroll down where you will find General Management. You need to tap on General Management. From here, you need to scroll down where you will find the option Reset. So once you tap on Reset, here they say Reset All Settings. So you need to tap on that. And here they say Reset All Settings. This will reset all the settings on your phone except security setting, language settings, accounts, and personal data. So you will not lose personal data on your phone. You need to just tap on Reset, and then they will ask you to confirm the security on your phone, and that is it. You can reset your Android phone without losing your data. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.